Hey everyone! If you've got USDT sitting in your Kraken account and you're ready to cash out into euros, this updated 2026 guide is for you. I'm going to show you the convert method. It's the absolute easiest way to swap your stablecoins for cash without dealing with complex trading charts. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open the Convert tool. First, log into your Kraken account on the app or website. On the mobile app, tap the purple Action button, the two arrows at the bottom, and select Convert. On the web browser, simply click the Convert button located in the top navigation bar. This tool is designed for instant swaps at the current market price. Step 2. Select your assets. Now, we need to tell Kraken what we're swapping. In the top field, the From section, search for and select USDT, tether. In the bottom field, the To section, search for and select Euro, EUR. You'll see your available USDT balance right there to help you decide how much to swap. Step 3. Enter the amount. Type in the amount of USDT you want to convert. If you want to swap everything, just tap the Max button. Kraken will instantly show you an estimated amount of euros you'll receive based on the real-time exchange rate. Step 4. Review and confirm. Click the Preview Conversion button. A summary will pop up showing the exact exchange rate and any small spread or fee involved. In 2026, Kraken's Convert feature is optimized for speed, so this rate usually expires after 30 seconds. If it looks good, hit Confirm. Step 5. Check your balance. That's it. You'll get a success notification and your euros will be credited to your cash balance immediately. You can now head over to your portfolio to see your EUR balance, where it's ready to be withdrawn to your bank account. It really is that simple to go from stablecoin to spendable cash. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.